So I welcome you all to this wonderful session, and in today's tutorial I'll teach you guys on how to wrap text uh, on any kind of object or layer in Photoshop, right? So after doing that, by the end of the day we'll achieve a brochure flyer of text wrapping around a particular object. So let's get started. First of all, I would like to take off my layer. This first layer, I don't really like it, so I would like to bring in a new background, solid color, give it something like white. Take off this one, let me delete my word and call this one background. Alright guys, what I'll be doing next is I'll carry this very particular object and then bring it place my image here. So by hitting enter, I have something beautiful like this. So let me resize this t-shirt somewhere here. Yeah, it's very perfect. So let me zoom in a little bit while I activate my pen tool. Okay guys, making sure that I activated this part, then drawing from here. Guys, I have to zoom in for me to see a little bit what I'm doing. Yes guys, I believe you guys can see what I'm doing. Just trying to draw some part, okay, to somewhere here, and then this is okay. I'm bringing here. All right. Yeah, so we were able to create a complete part. The next thing I would like to do from this very layer is to head over to here and create a new layer, right? So after creating a new layer on this very part that I draw alongside this t-shirt, I will now head over to my type tool and activate it. So when I activated the type tool, I would like to hit enter. Just place it anywhere and just hit enter, okay, on where we were able to draw the part or something. So from here I would like to bring this one to the left, adjustment, alignment, then make sure that my font type is Arial, this Arial narrow. So I'd like to leave it at let's say to 25. Let's change the font size to to 25. So what typically guys I'll be doing here is I don't need to go online or elsewhere in search of text or something. This Photoshop 2020 has this feature of filling in a text part, okay, with a lorem ipsum type. So if I head over to type, if I come here, you will now see a paste a lorem ipsum write-ups. So let me hit on that. So guys, you can see we have some. Let me take it off. I don't really want this. The size is a little bit too much. Let me make it 20. Yeah, hit enter. So coming back to here, my type. Yep. It's still big. It's still big. I need something a little bit. Let's say 14. Yes, yeah. Let me make it 11, guys. I don't know, it's too small. 13. Yeah, I think it's okay. So coming back to type again. Type again. We fill it. Okay. So guys, let me control A to highlight all the text, and then come here to my word paragraph and what, make sure that I align everything, okay, to be justified. Yes, close this one, close this one. So with this guy, let me resize everything that is here but somewhere. Yeah, yeah, something like this. So guys, we're able to what, wrap this text what alongside this very particular t-shirt that is what, that is here, and we're able to what, align this very text, okay, in such a way that it should align to what, to be justified from what, both side, that's from last left to the last right. Okay, so having done that, I would like to what, rename this layer as what, model. All right, and then I'll lock it for now. Then come to this very text, and then let's call it text too, and then what, hit on enter. So basically what I will be doing is I'll be working now on the background and some other element of what this very particular design. So what I would like to do first and foremost is to what, to height about these two layer. Okay, next thing I'll be doing is I'll come and add another layer, activated what, my rectangular shape, and what, drag from up to down or below. Yes, somewhere here. All right, so I have a different color that is already activated, and I will be using what, this very color for this very particular what, tutorial. All right guys, let me enlarge something like this. Yeah, I believe this one is okay. So for now, I would like to what, lock this very particular layer that is here. The next thing I will be doing guys is I will also what, go back to my rectangular shape and what, activate it, then draw another what, rectangle shape. Okay, yeah, something like this. So yes guys, with this, let me come back and then change this entire color. I really don't want a complete fill. Okay, I would like to go what, and select this very gradient and then choose a color. Yeah, so I don't want this linear, I have to change it what, to rasha, so that this white will be coming from what, from the center. Okay, then let me a little bit work on the color and adjust it a little bit, right? Let it look a little bit darker or something. Okay, I think it's okay, something like this is okay. Yeah, it's okay. So guys, with this I would like to call this one shape 2, while this one call it shape 1. Yes, so let me lock both the shapes. Okay, so the next thing I would like to do is to head over to my word, to my text, and then here I would like to use what, vertical type tool. All right, so as for me to write it vertically, so I would like to change this one now to let's say 30. Okay, and the font I would like to use here is still Astonia. I'll be using Astonia, okay, as the font that I wanted to use it for this very particular tutorial. So I would like to write something VUGUE. Yes, let me come again. VOGUE. Hit on enter. Guys, select my move tool, Control T to enlarge it, right, to a point like this. Hit enter, place it somewhere at the middle, and come back to my type tool, hit here, and then we'll change the color to something white for now. Yeah, let's leave it something white for now. I think it's okay. So let me also do control question mark to what lock this very particular layer, right? So the next thing I would like to do is I will come back to my text and what my model, all right? And you notice that it's not visible here. Why? Because we place this layer beneath what the whole of those stuff that we're doing. So what I would like to do from here is I would like to what unlock this one and unlock this one, then what select this very two, then group them in one place and call it what I like to call this one bg underscore then shapes. Okay, yeah, then bring drag and then what bring it beneath what our background, then hit on what on question mark. So from here guys, let me lock my background also. So from here guys, I should be able to highlight all, sorry, come back. I should be able to what highlight all and then what adjust it to some particular area. Let me do this somewhere. Yes guys, something like this. Yeah, it is very okay. So let me come back to these shapes and do some retouch here. Let me adjust this one a little bit. Yeah, hit on enter. It's not responding, I don't know why. All right guys, sorry, let me leave it somewhere here. This one is at the top. Let me bring it a little bit downward. Yeah, something like this. Okay, so let me hit enter and then adjust it a little bit. So guys, I think it's all right. Let me adjust it a little bit. Yeah. All right guys, I think this one is very okay. Okay, yeah, hit on this text layer. I think it's very okay now. So let me adjust this one a little bit. It's coming a messy. I think it's okay now. Let me pick up this one a little bit. So I would like to use ruler from here. Yes. So in case maybe you could not find ruler on your various devices, guys, you can press Control R to hide and then what Control R again to what to bring out your your ruler. Okay. So I would like to use ruler right from here. Okay. Something like this, guys. I wanted to be writing something few below. Yeah, something like that. I think it's okay. I think it's alright, guys. So let me zoom out a little bit. But right before now, I like to what group some of my work. Okay, I like to group some of my work. This one is grouped. My background should be grouped. Let me like to call this one a BG. Yes. This very particular model, I'll leave it like that. Just create a group for it and then call it model. Why I'm doing this, guys, is because I'm about to what add some other different element. Okay, so it will work, it will make the whole work look so tedious and noisy like that. So I would like to work on my layers. Okay, so this one I would like to call it the test group. Okay, and I think we're good to go from here. So before bringing in anything or something on this very particular layers here, let me highlight this one all and then change my font to something like take away the bold and then take away the capital all caps. Yes, and make it 12 in size. Yeah, let me work some few things out here. I think 12 is still, let me make it 14. Yeah, yep. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, it's now making a lot of more sense. So let me write the name of so let's say Ultrado Williams. Let's enlarge a little bit so as to see what we are doing, guys. Yep, right here I'll be using different font for this very particular one. I like to use the sequel. Yeah, let me leave it as sequel 50, rather 55. Come on, guy, pick. This is okay. Let me a little bit work on this padding and resize this very particular image. Yes, guys, this is okay. So next thing I would like to duplicate this very particular object and then drag it somewhere here and then put in some contact details. Let's set yeah, plus 234701129 and 0092. Yeah, we hit enter and boom. Let's resize it a little bit. Use my navigation key and align it to some particular position. All right. So with this guy, I like to give it a little bit of signature. The next thing I would like to do here is to hit here and call it sorry, come on now. So guys, I think from here I will not be doing anything much more. Yes, let me align this one to somewhere here. Yes, guys, I will not be doing anything much more. I'll just from here just give it and then divide in between like a section or something. Yeah, let's give it a little bit something like this. Yeah, let's make it slim a little bit. Yeah, then it's okay like this. Yeah, it's very perfect. Yeah. So with these guys, we're able to have what a simple, very good um, flyer. All right, let me enlarge this one so as for it to serve. Let this one fit. Yes guys, let me return my ruler. So guys, we're able to have what, one powerful and then what, a simple brochure, okay, with some details information. Okay guys, you can take your time and then do some little freestyle, just do a lot of things, okay, all of those picture that is here. So thank you very much guys. I think before we head over to the other some tricks and work that we have for today, I would like to know if there is any question regarding these very few things I did, and I believe you guys can see my screen. Thank you.